Welcome, beautiful souls. Today we are going to do a human design MyBodyGraph tour, what it is that you're looking for, what does everything mean, and all of that good stuff. So let's dive in. Okay, so as you can see, this is my chart here. So this is what your chart is going to look like. And then at the bottom, you'll see type, strategy, and authority. So you can click on that there. And it's going to tell you what type of human design you are. So in this case, I'm a projector. Then it's going to tell you your strategy there, as you can see, so what your strategy is. And then you can click for the authority, and it will also tell you what type of authority you are. I'm a self-projected projector authority. And then if you scroll back up, so this is what your chart looks like. What we're looking for here is your profile lines. So you can see 0.1, 1, and 0.3 being one of my profile lines. There's astrology. The numbers in here also represent gates or channels, depending on if they're connected or not. The white spots are meant to be open energy centers. The dark spots are your defined ones. So cut me off my video there. So we're just going back to the picture here. But as you can see, there's different parts within human design. You can go down a rabbit hole when it comes to human design, but I feel like I'm one of those teachers that makes things really simple and practical, and how you can get it into your life in an easy, effortless way, and give you the information without it being so overwhelming, because as you can tell, it can get really overwhelming really quickly. However, if you would like to learn more about human design, make sure that you join my email waiting list, because on it we're going to go through different masterclasses, different online workshops in how human design can support you as far as making the most aligned decisions for yourself, how your life purpose is meant to play out, what your profile, your personality is, what your design is meant to evoke into the world, what you're here to share with the world. We'll also talk about deconditioning certain centers and really refining the ones that are defined. We'll go through so many different things, whether you're looking to attract wealth and luxury into your life, whether you're looking to attract self-love and identity and your purpose, learning how to use your voice for communication. Make sure you get on those waiting lists, because I want to drop some really good stuff in the very foreseeable future. So if you're not on, you can't get it. And stay tuned for free human design things. And then I've got some really good stuff coming towards you. Follow along for more human design and wellness content.